Okay, it's moving day in Tennessee. That's our new bear, our new apartment. Release the Kraken! So the house did not work out, so we were able to find a nice temporary rental until we'll be able to start house hunting. Say hello, bear. Say, I miss Texas. Oh, so tragic. Where's your dad? Say, Texas, look at me. All right.
Let's take a video of this.
Good point. Okay, let's stop for a second. Or wait a minute. I don't know how to stop.
Hit the button.
So yes, it's raining.
Get it wet.
I'm trying not to get it wet.
Great, stop it. Stop it.